Hi, Sel and Mark! Congrats sa bagong chapter ng buhay nyo. Dati, dugyuting college students lang tayo. Ngayon, dugyuting adults na tayo.
Miss na namin kayo. Sana nga nakapunta kami sa wedding nyo eh. Kaya lang, walang pera. Hindi, joke lang. Pero babawi kami soon pag uwi namin.
Ayun, excited na kami kung ano yung meron na in store para sa future nyo. Tapos sana palagi lang kayong happy, palagi lang kayong together kung sa mga hard times, good times. And andito lang kami para sa inyo and mag-cheer lang kami kahit malayo kami. We'll always cheer for the both of you.
Ayun, we wish you a happy and everlasting marriage. And, miss na talaga namin kayo dyan sa... Hello, bye-bye.
Bye-bye! See you soon!
Congrats.
Hi, Sel and Mark! Congratulations! And we just want to say na sobrang happy namin for the both of you. And grabe, nakita namin kung paano kayo nag-start and kung paano nag-flourish yung love ninyo. And ngayon, eto na, ikakasal na kayo and sobrang excited and happy namin para sa inyong dalawa. Congratulations and best wishes!
Hi, Sel and Mark. Congratulations. Sobrang saya na makita kayong dalawa in this milestone. As in, pag nakikita ko yung mga pictures nyo and videos nyo, sobrang genuine, tas sobrang fun. I just know na you really bring out the best in each other. So, continue growing and having fun together. We wish you both success and all the best in life.
And sayang wala kami dyan to see you both personally. Pero sana alam nyo na we support you 110%. Nandito lang kami palagi and enjoy nyo lang yung araw na to. Sa inyo to, gawin nyo lahat ng gusto nyo. And sobrang congratulations talaga. Best wishes guys and congrats! Congrats si Sel and Mark! Outro. Gento! Bye-bye! Congrats, guys!